So here's our little wet weather creek. So look there. I like standing in it right now. Ooh, that's cold. Look, there's a little pool. Look. So your little dam kind of working, but it's going around. So it does look like it's not carrying stuff with it. So trying to dam up all the... Yeah, I caught a lot of leaves and sticks and kept it from going in there. Really nice and full. I'm coming. Where do you find it, Penny? Wow. Nice and full. All the pads are down below the water now. That's funny. Sprinkling? Yeah. Do you lay an egg? Penny, are you eating your own feathers? Wow, this is great, but they can't walk down there anymore, can they? Nope. Yeah. Oh, there's a flower outside the coop. One of those wild lilies. Nice. Look at that. This is great. Where did you put the fish in? Right here? Yeah, that's good. Man, they probably don't know what to do with all this water. And look at the bottom pond. Yep. Wow, the water's all the way up to here. That went up a good 2 feet. Frogs. Yeah, there it is, all the way over to the rock. Hang on. Good Lord, there we go. I'm coming. Yeah, look at this. The girls used to climb down there and scratch. So what'd you say, about 2 feet? About 2 feet high?
It's at its hot peak.
Yeah.
I mean, you saw how low that is.
Yeah, I see. Look at your caladiums are in the water now, and they were way above it.
And I don't see them. They swam out. They went that way.
Well, they should be kept in the water with all this grass and all this stuff growing right here. They shouldn't wash out.
See right here, this is where it runs over.
Oh, yeah. But not much. Oh, look, you can see.
Yeah. Is there any fish?
No, I didn't see any fish.
Same here.
Where? Dang, we are not sea level, but pond level. We're pond level. Look.
It's underwater right here.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. Okay, so this is
Wow. This tree.
it's
Back
way
that way.
deep down there. The berm has dropped like all soil does.
One thing about it, the water's up so much that it made the plants,
Oh, I saw that.
right?
And they've dropped underwater.
So I could see my hyacinths.
Yeah, but is that going to make those rot if they're not on top? That's a sycamore growing right there? Sure is. Huh. Well, I'm in the water. This is the lowest right here.
Look at all the perch from that valley.
Where?
The carp were probably back around where you were at. When I came out and I saw them move, right? I'm like, wow. Yeah, I come over here and here they were already over by the time I got there.
This was a great rain. Okay, so what's it look like? This is